Hi all, in this today's video I'm going to start a new playlist over the machine learning, deep learning and some basics of the Python because based on that only we can do our daily routine task in the Python in machine learning, sorry. So that's why I'm going to start a new playlist from in which in this playlist I'm going to start a machine learning from the basic Python to the advanced deep learning concepts, including the data plotting, feature engineering, various machine learning algorithm, and the implementing them via scikit-learn and like the many other library like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, all this other stuff like TensorFlow and one of the very popular PyTorch and Keras, because currently the TensorFlow 2.1 has the inbuilt Keras in this. So that from the basic one to I am going to the advanced one, like from scratch Python to the advanced level of the deep learning concepts and all these stuffs. Okay, so to I hope you know all this thing like how to install the Python, or I will make a separate video over how to install Python or Jupyter in this your all this stuff. So first of all, let's start with my Jupyter notebook. Okay, so I will start my Jupyter notebook. Okay, Jupyter notebook. Okay, so now let's a few seconds and let it be loaded there. Okay, I think so. So in this the motive of this playlist to teach you from the very basic Python to the advanced level deep learning concepts and all this. So I want to make a placement ready course for you so that you guys can learn free of the cost and get placed in the other companies. And this playlist we'll also do the various type of the projects and all this stuff. So don't worry about this. Okay. So after the tapping the Jupyter notebook in the same day, just go to the new, and there is one very popular language is the Julia, named the Julia. Okay, so the popularity of the Julia is because of the Julia is the one of the has the like it is as fast as C and as robust as Java, and simplicity is as simple as Python. So if you guys want to try Julia, of course you can try Julia. There are the two versions I have installed in my system, 1.0.5 and 1.3.0. Okay, so let's start with the Python first. So in this Python series, I am going to teach you all guys like the first of all we'll start with the basics things like as suppose we are in Jupyter. Okay, so first of all you can press. Okay, let's start with the first of all let's start with the print statement. Okay, so that I want to like the print. Okay, print Amarjit. Okay, my name is Amarjit. So it's got printed. Okay, so like now what is this statement? Okay, what is the print? Okay, I know that you guys have, if you guys just started, I obviously know that this is the quite tough question. Obviously if you have the something knowledge about this is not obviously tough question. Okay, so print is a function here. Okay, print is a function here, and Amarjit is a string here. Okay, print is a function and Amarjit is a string here. Okay, so in Python, when you talk about the Python, in Python every function, okay, let me be very clear with you. Every function is a class. Yeah, I know that I'm going quite deeper into the concept. I should not tell this thing to you here because this is not hardcore Python classes. So in Python in Python everything is class. If I'm to think about, everything is class here. Okay, so even print is a function, but the function in Python is also a class. The function inherited behavior from the class name is function. Okay, so it was quite, because I think I shouldn't tell you all these things here. Okay, so first of all we'll start with a very basic function, which is also a class inbuilt, but we call it is a function. What is type? Type actually is a type. It tells the variable we are using, what is their behavior, all this stuff about that. So what is print? If you want to know what is print, okay, so we'll have to type what is the type of the print. It is built in function or method. Okay, so if you guys know a little bit about the programming, you know what is function. Okay, so what is method? If a function is bounded within a class, if a function is bounded within a class, then it will be called as a method only. Okay, it will be called? It will be called a method. Okay, that's all. That is the point here. Okay, built-in function. Now if you want to know what is the more detail about the print, okay, then you type this help print. Okay, so now help on built-in function print in a module built-in print. So print, what is that? Is take some value and a parameter what is known as sep. Okay, sep is basically denoted as separation. Okay, and that is second one is and. Okay, and so let me explain this thing. Do parameter. I will not go to the third. And flush is basically the memory flushing. And file, actually it is printing. The print function is printing somewhere, so it is defining that it is printing the system.std output. Std out, it means standard output. And now for us the standard output is console or the Jupyter interface you are using. Okay, so the print value to stream or system out by default we can, it is stream to the system.standard output. We can change this as well, but we will not go to here. By default original. Okay, so if I want to like that, if we talk about the above statement, like this statement, Amarjit. Okay, I am typing this statement 2 times. What happened here? Amarjit and Amarjit. Okay, now let's copy this one and paste it. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to type Amar and Jit separately. Okay, comma here. I think I'm going deeper. I should not do such things here. Still I am getting here space, and this space and this space is not the same space. I'm not saying that they are different by the character level, but from where they are coming, this is different. Okay, so what is this? This space is belong to this space. The space between the Amma and Jit here is the part of the separation between this sep parameter. Okay, and this space comes from here only. So if I have to prove this, if I'm going to type here comma sep and strict. Okay, I think I am doing a little bit wrong here because I am going directly into the deeper concept. Hope you guys can understand these things. So Now I'm going to copy this one, okay, and paste here, and this should be replaced with the like as the hash statement here, okay. Now sorry, the spelling of the SEP is wrong. I have written SPE, which should be SEP, okay. So SEP here, and now what I was saying, the here string and jit is a separate string which is separated by a sep parameter here. As you can see, if you don't know anything about that, you can simply type help and call that particular thing, okay. So you guys, I hope you can understand the difference between the this space and the this space and this space, okay. So next one is and, okay. I think in the starting of the video I cannot go to these two advanced concepts, and these are not quite advanced, but I think we should not go with that, okay. In the further lecture I will surely explain what this is. So now I'm going to do this 1 2 3 and this with and the above statement with nothing. Now what happened, Amarjit 1 2 3, okay. Now this this part is from here, and this space is the, as you can see here, the separator parameter is by default space, and that space is basically from here, okay. Now what happened in the here you can say that the both Amar and Jit is printed in the separate line, okay. But now here Amarjit, and just after that Amarjit, and the next system has started. So what happened here, the by default end statement is \n means a new line, okay. \n means a new line. Now and here I have what happened, I have defined here the int parameter as nothing, basically null. That's why this statement has been started from here, okay. So I hope you guys have some basic idea about how to print the things here, and basically if you have the multiple things here, like suppose you are going to type here the print a comma b comma c comma d, okay. Basically it should be in the single quote, okay, single quote, okay. Now what will the output of this, a space b space c space d, because why this is so, because the by default here the separator parameter is by default here here I think this is not working. Here the separator parameter is space, that's why, and what happened here will be enter, because the end statement is \n, okay. So let's print a comma I hope you guys understand what is the print statement. We'll see you soon in the next video, in which I will going to explain the integer and the other things, other data types. Basically talk about in the next video I'm going to talk about what is basic data types and many more things, and after that we'll stop the if else for and all these statements, okay.